Hi everyone, this is Vivek. Now we'll see introduction to EES software. Hope you are having EES software. If you don't have, then do contact me in comment section. Let's start. Let's take an example of AutoCycle. Continue. There you go. So basically, EES software is being used to resolve the equations directly via using software. Like we are doing it manually by using lots of formulas and all, but the software is making us easily analyze the problem. Okay, this is how it looks like. There are certain options like file where you may have basic open new as you are using in Excel and PowerPoint also. Edit, search options, variable functions, unit conversion, constant, stop criterion, default preference, calculate tables, plots for plotting graphs, windows, help, and examples. We may also take the help of examples like suppose we are going to resolve the thermodynamic equation. There will be, yeah, there you go. We may take example of throttling or use properties. Then we may have the examples also. Okay, like there you go. We are taking examples. It is already resolved. So basically, for solving any of your problems, you may take the help of these examples also. Let's cut this, then start it again. If you are new to do this, then basically the first question will be occurring that how you will going to resolve the numerical. Like you are not from coding background, then it seems too difficult for you, but it is easy one. Okay, basically what we have to do, we have to provide the basic information which is already given in the numerical sections. RC is given, number of strokes, Bmax, W dot. Then how it analyze? It analyze based on the feedback you inputs you have given. Like I have put it the value of P1, T1, and what I'll be needing to analyze the work done and efficiency is U1, V1, S1, S2, U2, V2. Okay, so that I have put it here. After putting the modeling efficiency eta th equal to w net by q. Eh, we may go directly on the calculate sections. Okay, there you go. Here we may see the, sorry, pardon, you may see the direct values of efficiency, work done, anything else that you are looking for. And there you may directly go on the equation that you have put it there. You may see what kind of formulas are being used. There you may see the final answers. Then this is parametric table where you will have to provide the upper limit and lower limit. Like in this case I have provided first value is 5th and linear value is 11. After providing this value, tap on this and we'll find out the w net and nth. Let's, and for plot from there we may plot the any kind of graph like, okay, for plotting graph as well as for overlay ping plot. W net ts ps for changing the, hope this is helpful to you. Any queries, do comment. Bye bye.